Jofuambo mana kaka jo Kenya mamoko ni kod ratiro mar chwalo paro mag chugo chike makidek bero ngima ka achiel kod bero uchumi mapacho ka kane uloso Mombasa Romo mane okelo kanyakla jochungu weche ute fuambo. Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula nolero ni oikore mar siro pach jofuambo weche makidek kelo lokruok to chutho e kinde ni mapiny mangima oridore ne oganda mathoth. Jofuambo weche mondo mi omed menyo kendo keto tesre jotelo mar rocho ratiro mag chik kabende olero ni jofuambo nyaka bede e ong'ala manyime chiwo ote mar adieri.
Madam President, to ensure that you collect, you disseminate factual news. The Constitution now allows you, even as the Editors Guild, to sit together, evolve an idea, draft a legislation proposal, and bring it to Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker will ensure that it finds its way to Parliament, it's debated, if it's good, it's passed as good law.
Journalism confronts an existential threat due to various factors, notably the challenging economic conditions forcing media companies to issue profit warnings. The delicate balance between profit motives and public interest becomes crucial. Media associations in Kenya, under the Kenya Media Sector Working Group, collaborate to address urgent threats to media freedom. Journalist safety, both physical and in the digital space, remain a pressing concern. We call for an immediate halt to violations, emphasizing journalists' constitutional right to carry out their professional work.
Nya kora mongojwa kanyi machope giko mag weche